I let the dodos out, Ben.
Yes. Oh my god! Hell yeah. Our dodo dominion.
You really don't fucking need it.
What?
I can hear it.
Yes, me too. Alright, guys.
I gotta
Let's get this motherfucker up here. You ready, Ben?
Let's do it!
Jordan, are you with us?
No.
Connor.
You told me to watch the Triceratops.
What's up?
He's
You told me to watch the
Triceratops.
Triceratops.
Okay. Bring it on, bitch. Don't go that way! Good. Attack, dodos!
Dodos, attack!
I hope he doesn't. I hope he didn't kill that motherfucker.
They're all just grounded. Oh my god! Georgia, no!
He's running.
Chase him down, my dodo brother! Murder him!
The fact that someone left is absolutely fucking asshole.
I told you, dude, I got some high level shit.
Or they probably weren't nearby to get hit.
No,
It's trapped.
there was a wave of dodos.
Ooh!
That hit me.
That didn't actually do that as much damage as I thought.
Got him!
There you go, Ben.
Fuck
There's
yeah.
some pride for you, brother.
Hell yeah.
Are we ready to fuck this fear turkey?
Fuck the
Attempt
fear
to,
turkey. Actually, you know what? You know what? Fuck it. Fuck ghillie suits.
I wish I had one again.
I wish I had one too, but you know what? It doesn't work in beach sand anyways.
I got fucked up.
Now you
Enough.
fucked up. Alright,
Ben, are you in a good spot there, bud?
I'm in a good spot. He's in my crosshairs.
Alright,
Okay.
ready?
Aim.
Fire and ready.
Shit. He's on the run.
This motherfucker swims.
Yes, he does, and I'm afraid of where he went.
Ben, can you still see him?
Yes, I
Okay.
can.
Oh God. He's down there, all right.
I'll be bait.
Fuck,
Run.
there's a corpse in the way.
Wait a minute.
Well, there's an arrow sticking out of his fucking jowl.
Jowls.
He just like almost broke part of his fucking.
I think I keep hitting him. The music starts playing every time I shoot him.
God
Oh
damn
yeah,
it.
we're definitely hitting him. But there's another issue we're having. He keeps
Flying is a very objective word.
well, is he just? He's got a hard on for you now.
Yeah. Come
Alright.
here.
Well, I have another dumb idea if anyone feels like hearing it.
Fuck, that thing is fucking
What?
fast in the fucking water.
Bring him to the wall.
Bring him to the spike wall.
Not a bad idea.
Unfortunately, I think he can outrun us.
Oh God, especially in the water. Fucking.
God damn it, 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 god damn it. Eh.
First.
No! Woo!
Oh, just that. Did he get you?
Nope.
I somehow ended up back on the island.
Is he following you?
Nope.
Where did he go?
Wait, I think I see him.
I'm trying
Oh
to get back
shit!
into my...
I hear the music.
Yeah, I do too.
Run.
Fucking run.
Over the bridge. Just keep going.
The fucking Dilophosaurs are like, what the fuck's going on here?
I'll look around
The
on the wall.
Dodos! Release the dodos!
He's trying to destroy the tower.
Is he still trying to destroy the tower?
Yes, I'm gonna get a hit on him, see if he'll follow.
He really
All
hates
right.
the tower.
he holds a personal grudge against a tower.
Asshole! Shiza! Tweety!
This turkey was
Green bean
petty.
casserole! Fuck you!
Alright, I got a hit and
Sweet
he should
potato
start
pie!
following.
Let's fucking go!
Not on passive? Are you on attack mode, please? Please be on attack mode.
They should be. They're my fucking birds.
That's true.
Come here, Compy! I'm gonna fight you with fucking dodos on my fists! It ran away. What a bitch. Let's go, guys.
Ow. Okay.
I've almost made it to the dodo bird house.
Alright, I'm upgrading my dodos.
Is your highest fucking dodo. That's ridiculous.
Oh god, it is chasing! Get to the spike wall!
It's coming fast. So it can't outrun us though.
Yes, but just get to the wall.
To the wall, to the wall, to the wall, 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 to the wall, to the wall, to the wall, wall, wall.
We have the advantage on land.
Dalton, I hope you get here fast.
I'm coming, don't worry. I've got Ben's dodos with me.
Yeah, I'm naked!
Well, I'm dropping all the stuff that's yours.
Where are you dropping it at?
Literally
Oh my God,
behind
your
where the
dodo's
dodo
fed.
is. Or the
Yeah.
Triceratops is.
Alright,
Where's the turkey?
On the other side.
I'm taking shots at him through the wall.
Oh god. What? Oh god! Another turkey! We can. Oh god! We got a second turkey aggroed.
Ah, fucking shit!
They attack! They're
They're,
together?
they attack in pairs. I aggroed one.
Ben! Turn around!
Turning around. Yeah! Come on!
Shot.
Shiza, Dingleberry, Tweety, no!
Your asshole, your Thanksgiving, your fuck you, your green bean casserole, your sweet
Fuck you,
potato.
die!
Yes. Hopefully. Nope.
God damn!
Oh my god. I'm so sorry. These super turkeys were a bad idea.
Super Turkey was a terrible idea!
Super Turkey was a great
Ben?
idea.
Surely even you see the futility at this point.
Surely you see the futility of giving up after Dingleberry didn't. Justice for Dingleberry!
Happy Thanksgiving!
Oh, it's gonna
Skadoosh!
Praise us! We're fucking up here, turkey! It's gone. Where did it go?
I'll look for it. Ah!
God damn.
It's on the other side of the wall!
Bring it around, Connor! Bring it around!
Why do I have to do it?
I'm getting him! No, I guess I'm
I mean,
not.
if it's attracted to you right now,
It's gonna kill me.
Run!
that spirit. Hey Dalton,
Yes.
you ready to play the rape game?
Apparently, yes.
That's the spirit.
Ben, run!
Hey, look, I'm finally suffocating. I was wondering when I'd fucking do that.
Ben, it's coming up to your ass!
Yeah, I'm hopefully.
Give me chicken tendies, it says.
Oh wait,
Now it's coming after me.
how many levels did you get for killing just one of those fucks?
None.
What?
Yep, gave me none.
Damn.
Jordan,
Got
how
him!
would you
Yes!
72?
Dead!
I will tell you about that after